Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to earn coins in Township game. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Township game and right here in the top you're gonna find your money. So there is two currencies, the coins and also the papers. You click on this little plus, you can buy the coins. You can also buy the money from here. And as you can see, guys, this is your level. And this is the population that you have and the population cap. You can go to the settings from here. You can sign in with your Facebook account and so on. There is the news, the community, and more games from here. And as you can see, guys, right here in the left, you're going to find this paper. If you click on it from here, you're going to find some tasks. If you complete the tasks, you're going to get some rewards like money or some gifts. For example, I have a task which is build a feed mill. So I'm going to click on it, click on go, buy it, and then I'm going to place it, for example, right here. And then all we need to do right now is wait for it to build. For example, I'm going to speed the process. Click right here. And as you can see, guys, I got some XP. Right now, I'm going to click right here and I'm going to get my reward. So every time you're going to find some random rewards right here. And it could be also a coin. So just complete the task and get your reward. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.